My name is Adil Kaipov, and I am a professional illusionist. As a child, I dreamed of becoming an actor, but everything changed the day I stumbled upon a mysterious old book. It was filled with secrets, stories of impossible things, of illusions that defied reality. From that moment on, I was hooked, not on fame, not on applause, but on the mystery itself. What began as curiosity became obsession, and what started with a single book turned into a lifetime journey into the unknown. Today, I travel the world with a team of like-minded creators, a group bound not by tricks, but by a shared desire to make people wonder, to remind them that not everything has to be explained. If you're drawn to the unexplained, if you believe the world still holds secrets, subscribe to this channel. The journey is just beginning, and the next mystery might be closer than you think.